Hey guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create these cute paper stars. With just a few materials we can easily make these fun stars, and they're really easy to make and fun to do when you're bored, so let's get started.
It's the Cienfuego twins!
Okay, first we're going to be making these paper stars, so let's get into it. So the materials you will need are some scissors, some paper, a pencil or something to write with, and a ruler. So with all that, let's get started. So if you want to make the paper hearts, then go to this timestamp. Okay, so you're going to take your paper and a ruler. So this paper needs to be, the height is supposed to be 8.5 inches long, and then the width is going to be 1/2 an inch long, and then you're going to take your scissors and then just cut that off. Okay, so you're just going to take your piece of paper and we're just going to make a knot with this. So take your short end and fold it under the long end. I'll show you it again. Take your short end and then make it so that the short end is under the long end. Then you're going to take your short end and put it through the loop like a knot. But instead of just pulling both sides, you're just gonna take your long end and tug it. It should kind of collapse into this pentagon shape, and just pull it all together until it's into that pentagon shape and not super loose. Then you're just gonna press that down and you'll have this long piece and this short one at the top. So then you're just gonna wanna take your short end and fold it down into the middle. And if it's too long, just take your scissors and just cut some off. You're going to want to leave a little bit more, so a little bit, just to be safe and doesn't unravel. Then you're going to take the long end and then fold it upwards to the right of the pentagon. Then you're flipping it up, or from the bottom up, and then you're going to fold it to the left of the pentagon, going upwards. Then you're just going to repeat this process going right, left, until, and then you're just going to do this until you get to a stump where you have just a little bit of paper left, but like it's not enough to fold it all the way up. So then you see this little triangle that's making the shape, and then you're going to just take your end piece and then tuck it under those two. Then we're just going to pinch the sides to make this star, like the star. And then you're just going to pinch it all around until you have your star. And that's how to make your star. Oh, get back here. Okay, that's how you make a star. Okay, the materials you will need are some scissors, paper. I'm going to be using origami paper because it's just easier for me. You're going to also need a ruler. And lastly, you're going to need a pencil. So with all of that, let's get into this. So take your paper and if you want it to be colored, do the colored side facing upwards. So then you're going to have the blank side facing up. And then take your ruler and divide it into 4 pieces. So if you want to not use origami paper, then you're going to do the numbers or the height and the width as 3/4 of an inch and 3 inches. So I'm just going to be dividing these up into 4 pieces. So once you've done that, I'm just going to take the paper and take my scissors and just cut that up into the pieces of paper. Then I'm just going to take just one of these pieces of paper, just going to take 3 of these aside. And then we're going to take our paper and have the blank side facing upwards, and we're going to be folding this into a triangle. So take the right top corner and fold it downwards. Then you're going to be folding it downwards. So then you're going to have another triangle, and you're just going to do that again, and you're going to fold to the right and then make a triangle. Fold it down, so then you're going to have another triangle, and that's basically the pattern. So then you're going to fold that down again, and then you're going to flip this leftover piece, and then we're just going to flip that up and cut off a little bit of that paper because it will be easier to tuck in. So then we're just going to make a hole and then tuck that into the paper. Here's a slower demonstration. Then you're going to take your scissors, and we're going to make curves on the edges. So we're just going to curve it, but don't do it too much in, otherwise it's going to be really hard to pop pop into a heart. So just hold it at the end, but don't like pinch it. And then with your left finger, you're going to push down on it. And then that's how you make your heart. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we make a new video. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.